90% of the applications in any given IT environment now run in the browser. Current tools haven't kept up with the rapidly changing pace of browser innovations. This means that mission-critical business applications can't be adequately managed, causing technical debt, increased risk, and wasted resources. To manage these new challenges, Browsium has been evolving a suite of software tools over the past decade to address these issues. Every large organization has ITOM tools that give visibility into the desktop. However, the visibility goes dark once the application opens in the browser. Proton provides the visibility missing from the current ITOM puzzle. With Proton, you can get a detailed inventory of browser applications, dependencies, and rogue extensions. For example, you can see exactly which installations of Java are installed in your environment, as well as ActiveX controls and browser extensions. Proton also provides metrics on trending data so you can see how each application is working at every endpoint. For example, we can see every application that is in use in this environment from the Web Applications report in Proton. I can drill down into an application and see all of the users that have used this application, as well as all URLs that belong to this application. In addition, I can also see every application in my environment that uses Java, which versions of Java are used by those applications, as well as ActiveX controls. Also, Proton rationalizes where you should remove components to reduce licensing, maintenance, and security exposure. To give an example, let's say we wanted to ensure that no applications are using Adobe Flash. If we navigate over to our Activity by Control report and search for the Shockwave ActiveX control, we can see the Shockwave ActiveX control, or the Adobe Flash ActiveX control, show in this environment. If I then click on this, I can see a list of all the applications that use Adobe Flash. And this is just one example. This can be used with any legacy technology that is dependent on Internet Explorer. Once you've identified issues with Proton, you can start to remediate outdated and incompatible dependencies. Ion is designed to simplify end-of-life app management by isolating apps without rewrites or overhauls. What we're looking at here is a legacy app that was designed for Internet Explorer 8. It does not work correctly in Edge. We go onto this order phone page, you can see that it does not work correctly. With Ion, we're going to ensure that that does happen. Using the Browsium Ion Configuration Manager, I'm going to create a profile and a rule for our isolated app. Because this app requires Internet Explorer 8, we're going to put the profile in IE8 mode. This app also requires Java version 7, so we're going to force that in here as well. Now I'm going to create a rule which points to this profile. And just like that, we have successfully locked down this app so that only it can run this version of Java with these particular remediation settings. Now, when we go back to our demo site, you can see that it does work as expected, all using the power of IE mode in Microsoft Edge. In addition, because we are forcing a specific version of Java on this application, its Java applet timecard works as expected. This ultimately gives you the ability to run old and new applications together without conflict or expensive virtualization solutions. Catalyst gives you the ability to set redirects in one centralized location. Whether or not an app requires Edge IE mode, Chrome, regular Edge, Firefox, Desktop Internet Explorer, Catalyst has you covered. Catalyst makes sure the end user always uses the correct browser for their given application. These actions are invisible to the end user, which reduces compatibility support calls. Users opening applications in the wrong browser has been a frustrating issue to IT for years. The increased number of remote workers further amplifies this problem. Catalyst gives back IT control over the browser by allowing you to pair all web applications with the most compatible and secure browser configuration. Using Catalyst, I have configured two sites to open in different browsers. First, I have specified that google.com should open in Google Chrome, and that a second demo site should open in Microsoft Edge IE mode. So let's take a look at that now. First, inside of Edge, let's navigate to google.com. You'll see that this, instead of opening in Edge, opens in Google Chrome. Now let's go to our demo site in Google Chrome. You'll see that this opens a new browser window in Edge IE mode. With Catalyst, the possibilities are endless.